Hey everyone, so here's a follow-up video to that Temp II sensor video I put up yesterday. As you can see, it's raining. It's been raining pretty much since last night, again here in the southeast. I drove the van probably about 15 miles. Pretty heavy rain, a lot of standing water, and when I got back inside into the garage, sure enough, turned her off, tried to crank her again, wouldn't work. And when I unplugged the Temp II sensor, it did work. So anyway, I'm going to pause the video here for a moment, get the tripod set up, and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've got everything set up. The tripod's here at the back. Now again, this was running when I came into the garage. And so right now, the Temp II sensor wiring plug is plugged in. I'm going to go to the front and see if she'll run. Okay, so there's a showing of what the engine is doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach on the left-hand side of the engine bay. Let me move the tripod over just a little bit. So I'm reaching in, pulling the plug on that Temp II sensor, and I'm going to go back up to the front and see if I can get the engine to run. Okay, so there you have it. So with the Temp II sensor unplugged, fired right up. So I've got a replacement coming in the mail. Should be here in about 3 days. I'll get that installed. I'll probably do a video on that too, just to kind of show how that goes, show you what kind of a mess it creates as far as losing coolant, those kind of things. But anyway, again, hope that these videos are helping you guys out there, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks guys.